Hello. Today we're going to be talking about compounds. Compounds are substances made up of two or more different elements that are chemically bonded together. There are many different types of compounds, but we're going to focus on three important groups: acids, bases, and salts. Let's start with acids. Acids are compounds that taste sour and turn litmus paper red when the paper is dipped in the acid. Some acids can also react with some metals to produce hydrogen gas. Some common examples of acids include vinegar, which contains acetic acid, and lemon juice, which also contains citric acid. Bases, on the other hand, taste bitter and turn red litmus paper blue when dipped in the base. Bases can also react with acids to neutralize them. Some common examples of bases include baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and soap, which is made from sodium hydroxide. Now, let's talk about salts. Salts are compounds that are formed when an acid and a base react. Salts are usually solid at room temperature, and many dissolve in water to form solutions that conduct electricity. Some common examples of salts include table salt, which is sodium chloride, and Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate. So, to recap, acids are sour, turn litmus paper red, and react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. Bases are bitter, turn litmus paper blue, and react with acids to neutralize them. Salts are formed when acids and bases react and are usually solids at room temperature, and many dissolve in water to form solutions that conduct electricity. Now, let's do a quick quiz to see what you've learned. What is a compound? Remember, compounds are substances made up of two or more different elements that are chemically bonded together. What are the three groups of compounds we talked about today? Acids, bases, and salts. What are the properties of acids? Acids are sour, turn litmus paper red, and react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. What are the properties of bases? Bases are bitter, turn litmus paper blue, and react with acids to neutralize them. What are the properties of salts? Salts are formed when acids and bases react. They're usually solid at room temperature, and most dissolve in water to form solutions that conduct electricity. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.